When did you start smoking dope? When did you start smoking marijuana?
Mine?
Yeah. Dude, get your hair out of your face. Yeah. I'm better. I can see you now. I can pretty much paint the picture of your life for the next 5 years. Okay? You are like the poster child for Mr. Laid Back. Wow, you got me with your logic on that one.
All right, guys. Today we got Judge Oakley going toe-to-toe with a cocky stoner kid who clearly thinks he's the star of some Courtroom Netflix special. This dude is moving through life like laws are just polite suggestions. And Judge Oakley is about to snap him back to reality in the most brutal way possible. Trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this one. And tell me in the comments, do you think this kid is actually going to take Judge Oakley's word to heart? Or is he just going to leave court and spark up another blunt like nothing happened? Let's roll the tape.
On up, Mr. Vick. Mr. Vick, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? Where's your attorney then? Who's your attorney? Then you're doing it without one, right? Do you want to do it without one, or you want to talk to one of ours?
I'll do it without one.
Okay. Dude, get your hair out of your face. Yeah. I'm better. I can see you now. All right. All right. I've got a ticket here, and the prosecutor says you're going to plead responsible to double parking, and we're going to dismiss a misdemeanor charge of reckless. Is that correct?
Yes.
That's the way you want to resolve this today?
Yeah, miss.
Okay. How old are you?
17.
All right. I understand you're almost done with school. Then what's your plan?
I've been trying to get a job and all the Saturday.
Stop right there. Stop right there. Where have you been trying to get a job?
Trying to get a job at the service yard at Holiday Inn, the apartments.
Okay. Why do I have a ROA for a double circuit? And we've already got a double ROA for it? Oh.
So everything.
It's confusing. No. It's not the way I'm used to seeing it. I thought we had 2 tickets going. Okay. All right. Where else have you looked?
I looked at the day shop in Logo,
Okay.
and I also looked at Walmart in Buffalo Wild Wings.
And nobody's hiring you?
Well, Walmart, I don't know what, but I can't get a response from Buffalo Wild Wings, and I'm trying to go to the holidays.
Okay. Okay. All right. You got a driver's license?
Also,
Yeah, transportation's going to be an issue then. All right. So what's your long-term plan? Done with high school, then what?
I'm trying to be an engineer.
So you're going to school somewhere.
Hopefully, that's
Where and when?
Well, I graduate this year, and maybe I hope to go to college. Maybe by the time I'm license.
Okay. What are you waiting for?
Nothing really.
Then why aren't you going to college now? As soon as you graduate.
I'm trying to finish Florida.
No, as soon as you graduate.
As soon as I graduate.
Yeah. Why aren't you planning on being in school somewhere in the fall?
I mean, I really didn't think about that, but
When did you start smoking dope?
I can answer that one for you. This dude been smoking since birth. Like, the doctor cut the cord, and he probably asked for a lighter. His eyes are halfway shut, his movements are in slow motion, and he's got that classic, wait, where am I? Look plastered all over his face. The man's obviously deep in the Zaza zone. And listen, being chill is fine, but walking into court looking like you just ripped a gravity bong? That's insane. Honestly, I wouldn't be shocked if he's high right now. What do you guys think? Is he lit in the courtroom? Or am I tripping?
When did you start smoking marijuana?
mine?
Yeah.
2 years ago.
Okay. How often you hit it?
That often.
What's that mean?
Like, barely.
What's that mean? Give me a frequency, brother. Once a month, once a week. Okay. All right. So on this file, you're not working now, so I'm not going to give you money. I'm not going to charge you fines and costs. I'm going to charge you community service hours. But I also have to give you a little lecture. Dude, I've been doing this a long time. All right? I can pretty much paint the picture of your life for the next 5 years if you don't do something drastic. Okay? You are like the the poster child for Mr. Laid Back. All right? If you're talking about going to school when you're 19, I can guarantee when you're 21, you'll still be talking about going back to school. Guaranteed. I mean, I would bet $100 of mine against one of yours that by then you could come back and we'd still have this conversation about your planning on it. Okay? If you were my nephew, I would put you in a car. I would drive you over to Canton on Ford Road. I would walk you into the recruiting office where you can talk to the Army, the Navy, the Coast Guard, Air Force. They're all in one building. And I would have you go door to door to door and find out what they could offer you if you sign up. Because that's what you need to do. You need to completely shake up your life to make something happen. Have you ever considered it? And I know you don't want to cut your hair, but it'll grow back. Have you ever considered it? Why not? Why? Because that's a valid reason. Wow, you got me with your logic on that one. Listen to me. How are you going to pay for engineering school?
Okay, well, if I get a job, I pay for it.
No, you can't. You can't pay for an engineering degree working at Walmart. You can't. If you join the military, they'll send you to college. You know, every one of the branches of our armed forces have engineers. There are Army engineers, there are Navy engineers. That's a plan, dude. You don't have a plan.
Okay, well, the officer that got fired, why they have a plan? The officer that got fired, he should know.
Officer got you fired.
Yeah.
Okay, where were you working?
The USC fellow.
Okay, and how did you mean a cop?
Yeah.
How did the cop get you fired?
He was a member at the USC, and I've been my busy on here.
You mean when this happened? Okay. All right. Okay. So I'll give you that. Okay. How's that change what we're talking? We're not talking about this case now. We're talking about your life. How's the cop getting you fired determine whether or not you can afford to go to engineering school?
Because I want to have a job to pay for.
The BYC isn't going to pay for 4 years of college, dude. What were you making? $15 an hour?
I mean, I was making about $14,000 a year, so I mean,
that ain't even going to.
Then he hits us with, I make $14,000 a year and would have gone to college if I hadn't lost my job. Bro, that's like saying I was going to be a brain surgeon, but Burger King let me go. Stop it. I almost feel bad, though, because if we're keeping it real, it's pretty obvious this kid doesn't have a male role model in his life. Judge Oakley may not hand out sympathy, but you can tell he actually cares. He's trying to give this kid some real advice, and I respect that. But honestly, I don't see him listening. This kid doesn't like authority, teachers, cops, judges. It doesn't matter. I bet money he wouldn't last a semester in college, even if he went.
Also, an office, so, you know, say what I paid for it.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll see you again. 30 hours community service. Have it done by February 1st. Goodbye.
And let's be honest, he's probably walking out of that courtroom, heading straight home, and firing up his eye like nothing ever happened. That's the sad part. Way too many young guys out here with no direction, no discipline, no plan. When there's no strong male role model to show them responsibility, self-respect, and how to move smart, this is what you get. Kids treating court like it's some kind of hangout spot. But the judge nailed it. He's probably going to see this guy again, because it's clear he doesn't care. What do you guys think? Should we feel bad for him, or is he just digging his own grave? Drop your thoughts below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button and subscribe. I post every single day. Appreciate you guys for watching. Stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.